Welcome back, queens and kings, and thank you guys so much for watching. As you guys can see, today we will be styling the bar cart for the summer. If you guys would like to see the remainder of the bar cart and how I styled it, please continue to watch. Hey, queens and kings. Alright, queens and kings, so here is the bar cart which I did purchase from Walmart a while back, and we're going to just start styling it. Here I'm showing you guys some flowers that I did purchase from Burlington. And next we're going to start off with styling it with some books. You don't always have to use name brand type books as a Chanel or anything. If you have any types of books in your home, you can always style your bar cart with it. As well as this little bowl here that I do have. I think I purchased this from Home Goods or Ross. And I got some decorative balls in there that I purchased from Pier 1. Now here is one of my gorgeous DIYs that I have done, and this tray here was made using Dollar Tree items, which I am very proud of it. And as you can see, I placed that on the top. So I'm started going like from left to right, trying to balance things out. And here I have some gorgeous wine glasses that are Z Gallery and Pier 1 inspired, and I purchased these from Ross. Just styling with three because I actually broke one, and I placed those on the very bottom shelf, the very last shelf. So here's another DIY. It's my Chanel number 5 baller. I just took an old wine bottle and spray painted it black, and I just put some letters to spell out number 5 and as well as Chanel. Now this little champagne bottle here came from Ross, and I think I paid $6.99 for it, and it's like a Z Gallery dupe. And then I just have an empty wine bottle with a bling stopper that came from Pier 1. And we're just going to put those on the second shelf, which is the most spacious shelf that I do have. Now I'm going to go back with some more glasses, but these glasses here in this container came from Z Gallery. It actually come in a set of 5 or 6, but Z Gallery just had that set there. So I got a discount on it. And I'm going to use this little gorgeous blinged out vase here, which is a flower vase or a candle holder, whatever you prefer it to be. But I'm actually going to house my two little flutes and everything in it just to bring a little more glam, a little sparkle. And then I'm going back with my little wine cups here. Well, I say wine cups, but you can put whatever you want to put them in. I also purchased these from Ross, and I think there was $4.99 there. And then I have my little shaker as well. Now this shaker here came from Home Goods, so it was actually expensive before they started selling these everywhere else. And I paid like 20 some dollars for it. Maybe it was just say $30. Just say that. I have no idea why that top is in it. So that means Andre got a hold of it. But this is how the shaker look on the inside, and I think I'm gonna house this to the very bottom of the shelf as well on that last row next to those wine glasses. So far here is a overview of what I have done, and I'm trying to balance everything out how I would want it to be or how I think it would look. But I actually do like how it look now with just the black and white and the sparkles, the silver, the little platinum going on. This would be a great little simple bar cart, but I think it needs some color, so that's what we're going to go with next. Okay, so now I'm starting to place my color, which is my lemons. It's my lemons, and I think these lemons came from Hobby Lobby, if I'm not mistaken, but Dollar Tree have some as well, but I think they color just a little bit tad darker, but they still will do the job. I'm just going to fill in the space of with this basket here. I just love how they look. And then I got this sign here that says when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, and I got that from Pier 1. Not liking the way that it sit like this on a bar cart, so I'm going to start just arranging a little bit more, changing things around. Play with your bar cart until you actually get it to your liking, because it's not going to be pleasing to the eye until it's actually pleasing to your eyes. So it doesn't matter what anyone else think or how they look at it, is what you think and how you decide design and style your bar cart. Even though this is not a usual bar cart, but I still like it. It does the job as of fun right now. Okay, so I have this so fresh and so clean sign. Usually you probably put this in a laundry room or something, but I like it because as you guys can see, it was nothing but $3 from Target. But I'm also trying to balance out the yellow going on my bar cart. Then I have these cute little drink please lemon coasters that I got from Dollar Tree, believe it or not. And they say drink please on each side, just some paper coasters, but they have a little thickness to it, more like a cardboard or so. Then I'm gonna put a candle in there. You know, now bar cart is not a bar cart without any candles as well. And then I have my cup here that I got from Home Goods, and I put some scraws in there. And those little bling little butter knives, but I'm actually gonna take those out. Then I want to add one more thing, which I'm gonna use my little. I think it's a soap dish that I got from Home Goods, but I put these little lemon slices in there. And the last thing is to put a towel on your bar cart. Let's see how everything came out so far. All right, queens and kings, so here is the total reveal of our bar cart for the summer. As you guys can see, I did add some little screen lights in there from the Dollar Tree, but I think my battery is low because they're not actually as bright as they was when I first put them in there. I haven't made too many changes for the bar cart, but I did add some things like this paper towel holder here that I got from the Dollar Tree, as well as the Dollar Tree napkin. They are some polka dots, yellow and white napkins. One thing I could say about my bar cart, it is very affordable. Even the bar cart itself, the cart itself, because I got it from Walmart for no more than $40, I believe. It's more like a versatile utility cart or whatever, but as you can see, I'm using it for a bar cart. And I love the way that it all turned out. Even above the bar cart, I have some affordable canvases on the wall. The Chanel bottle came from Overstock. The Chanel bottle number 5, this canvas here came from Ross, as well as this one here, the mirror one, came from Ross. And the one in the middle here is actually DIY that I did on my channel a while back. And I love the way that it all turned out. I'm actually going to change that later down the line once I find the exact piece that I want to go in the middle of here. So it may look like it's sticking out as a sore thumb, because it is at this moment. I didn't have the finished piece that I actually want to hang up there. But I love the way that this bar cart came out. And this towel here came from Ross as well, and it matched my pillows that I have in my living room on my sofa, and as well as the one in the kitchen. But I hope you queens and kings enjoyed this bar cart styling and decorating with me. If you all did, please give me a big thumbs up, comment down below, and share the video. And I'll talk to you all to the next video. Bye bye.